up, Unplugged family? Player just gave yourself a haircut? Not what this video is about. We talking about a full intake system on the MK8 Golf R. Oh, I forgot to show you guys the unboxing video. Run it! Unplugged family. I can't even hold it back anymore. I gotta open this bad boy with y'all. Hold on. Take this up real good. You guys, the full intake is here. Look at it and check it out. Major shout outs to that is right, MST Performance has blessed us with the full intake system, you guys. The full thing. It's all wrapped up right here. You guys can see the air filter. We got the instructions, all of the parts necessary. And also, I'm looking for the turbo inlet pipe. Boom! So that is the MST full intake system. Oh yeah, major shout out to MST Performance for blessing me with the MK8 Golf R full intake system. Got this full on ratchet set, all that good stuff. Let's get outside and let's put some cards together, baby. Let's see how this one's gonna sound. I'm hyped for this one. Let's get it done. Bam, so these are all the tools that they supply you with. I think there's like a sticker and an air freshener as well. Big difference, big difference in comparison, as you can see. Got that housing right there, baby. Yeah, it's about to go down. So if you're smart before even attempting to do this job, you'll grab one of these plier sets right here. Let's see if we've gotten better at this. Slide this back onto the stock pipe. All right. Next thing we gotta do is just get this up from the grommets. There's one grommet right here. Alright, so these aren't as bad as that one to the right, luckily. Whew, man. Top and bottom. For visual comparison, you know what I mean? So I still want to get this inlet elbow from MST. Got your 2 rings. And I think they size them out for you, so you know. So this, you're gonna wanna put down here. Now, MST didn't supply their own vacuum hose, so I'm probably gonna have to use the stock one. All right, got the grommets in. We got everything lined up. Stock vacuum hose. Boom. And in a perfect orientation, perfect wing. Ooh, we in there. We got the hood open. We're gonna hear this bad boy with the hood open, door open, and then we're gonna close it. So that way I can give you like a real life sound. I can't wait to get the inlet elbow. Definitely more aggressive. Now granted, the hood is open right now, but boy, oh boy. All right, hood closed. You can hear it kick that air out though. That's whoo. All right, I need to go for a drive, you guys. And also the inlet pipe. This time we have a bigger inlet pipe, meaning more air to the turbo. You know, somebody was saying that they wish I would just get on it and stop short shifting. Listen, I'm in traffic. When I find a location where I can actually get on and let it go freely, I will. Let's get it. Alright, I did the noise. So it does have the little, if you get off the gas while shifting, you can get that noise. I feel like outside, like they're hearing this like crazy. It sounds so legit, yo. The moral of the story is, if you want more audible noise out of your Golf R, satisfying turbo spools, and things like that nature, get an open air intake. Wow, and if you really just get on it, all you hear is just the turbo just shh. That's what it sounds like. That's the best way I can describe it. It just sounds like your car is just sucking air. And that's what you want, baby. I love the audible noise that an open air intake adds to this car. Man, this car is beyond a sleeper, man. Like, literally, I'm thinking about getting a custom plate. I'm gonna see if I can get something around, like, man, don't sleep. Like, literally, everyone sleep on this car. You're doing yourself a disservice. Do not sleep on this car, because this car is, man. Oh, man. I'm gonna pull out to the street where I can get, like, a decent pull going on it. Absolute fire. Yeah, this MST intake is really, really nice. It's a mature performance sound, and that inlet pipe is everything. That was like a big difference. Adding on that big old humongous inlet pipe. I'm not sure the exact sizing and specs. I could put that up on the screen, but putting that bigger inlet pipe and allowing this turbo to get more air, turbo noise galore. You know, when the big turbo comes out and you feed this thing air, you get the intercooler, you get it everything that it needs to put down more power on the ground. It's gonna be crazy, you guys. Oh man, I can't wait. Very well done, MST Performance. This is a nice open air intake. This intake absolutely gets my stamp of approval. All right, gang, we back out here in the streets with the MST Performance. I will say this, man, open air intake is the go. The turbo noises are for real. And you gotta love them. You gotta appreciate turbo noises.
Watch out, pothole on road ahead.
Oh, word, they got the pothole alert on Waze. Yo, Waze is the wave. I'm not even gonna lie. Shout out to that. Pothole alerts? Oh, man. Shout out to the people who send out the pothole alerts on Waze. That's super lit. Man, every GPS map app needs to take notes from Waze because it's super fire. Let's make sure everything is still intact. Ooh, you can feel the heat. Vacuum hose still in good fitting. There you go, still on there, still good to go, still seated at the turbo inlet, nice and solid. Did a good job there, good job here, and a good job down there. Yep, Still connected without a problem or a hiccup down there. Sitting there nice and sturdy. See, I like the idea that it kind of like it's really designed towards the stock little intake area. Not bad.
Yeah. I went from LA to the A on the run, you can tell where I stay. Yeah. Counting all this paper, I chase no sleep.